Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bank of America bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bankofamerica.com. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top right. So then you'll be forwarded to this page, and here you need to enter your ID and password that you use to log into your Bank of America account. So enter your online ID and password. Once you enter your ID and password, click on sign in order to sign in to your Bank of America account. But if you do not have your Bank of America account, click on the enroll button to create one. Or if you have forgotten your passcode or ID, click on forgot ID or passcode. After you fill in your informations, click on sign in. So there you have it, that's how you log into your Bank of America account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.